Okay, today we're going to learn how to update the Week at a Glance on the Walden Yacht Club website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the website and this is the part that we're going to update right here. Okay, right now it's an image. What I'm going to do is we're going to convert it to text because it's a lot easier to do the updates. And not only that, but the only part I don't like about this is that if you make it too small for the mobile devices, look how little the text gets. When we convert it to text, we're not going to have that issue. So here we go. The way we're going to identify it is that we got our slider, our three sections, categories, our video, and right below that we have a title, subtitle, and then there's the Week at a Glance. All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do in order for me to be able to log in and check the website at the same time, I'm going to open another tab and I'm going to put I'm going to have it ready so then I can double check. Okay, so here we are. So once we're on the website, we're going to type in the URL /WP for WordPress -admin, and we're going to hit enter. It's going to prompt us to put in your credentials, log in, and we're going to be directed to the dashboard or the cPanel. Okay, once we're in the cPanel, we are going to click on pages. This is the main page, the home page, and it's labeled front page, home page. You can either click on edit or home to open that particular page. Once we're there, we see the structure of the site, of the page. There's a slider, our three sections, the video, and there's what we need to do. Okay, for now, like I said, this is an image, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely delete this item and then click on the plus symbol because that's going to give us a new shortcode. What it means is it's going to give us the options to integrate any of these items. What we're after is the text block, okay? And it tells you click here to change this text. We'll click on it. Okay, here you can start typing the menu for that week. But in my case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it from here because it's already typed up. I'm going to copy it, and here to make it easier and remove all the formatting, I'm going to click on text and I'm going to paste it. And there it is, all my text, simple text with no format. Click on visual and this is what I get. I'm going to update it, and then I'm going to come up here and update again. The reason why I'm doing this is just because I want you to see what it's doing, one step at a time. Okay, so then I'm actually going to click on my other tab where the live site is, and I'm going to see what it's going to look like, how it's going to display. I'm going to pause on the video, and there is the whole new text. Obviously, there's a lot of formatting that you have to do, but the important thing is that you have all the text in here. Okay. Now, when you reduce this window, the beauty of it is that it doesn't shrink. It just justifies. So for the mobile devices, it'll still be readable. Now, but we don't want it to be that small. What we're going to do, we're going to go back to the dashboard. Click on our text again. And here what I'm going to do, if you want to separate items, you're going to have to hit a return, like so. For instance, I believe you want to do this by the dates. So I'm going to separate the dates so then I can select a different color, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so that's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and we're just going to do those. Okay, right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to take it up a notch. We're going to do 14 points. Okay, now everything is set up at 14 points, but however, I want this to be different. I want it to be the goal. Well, that's already pre-formatted here under formats, headings, and I'm going to choose heading number 3. That's going to change the color and the font size and everything else. Again, select the item that you want. This is very similar to a Word document. Formats, headings, heading 3, and then we have one more. Gotta scroll back up again. Format, heading 3. Now, don't forget to update. This is very important because if you don't update it, it's not going to reflect the changes here and here. We're waiting for this little deal. Okay, come up here, refresh, pause that again, and there it is. If you notice, once we reduce the viewing area, it doesn't shrink any of my text. That's why I like using text instead of an image. Now, we also need to center all these texts because everything is justified to the left. So we want to change that and center everything. Again, we're going to go to our document, click on your text, you're going to select everything, and you're going to align it right on the center. Make sure to update here, update here. We're going to preview that. And there you have it. And you can go and modify anything you want through the dashboard right here by clicking on the text, selecting the item, and then you have your formats. Change the font size a little bit smaller, make it bold, underline, anything you need to do. Once you've done completing all your changes, make sure you update here and here. And that's all you have to do.